Hey guys, Steve in Florida here. Checking back in with you from Brooker Creek Preserve. And out here on, gonna check out this trail called Bird Path Trail. It's just a little over 1/10 of a mile long, so it's not very long. It is a dead end. But there's a unique feature at the end of this trail that I wanted to point out. Pardon me. This particular trail is located right off the Education Center Trail near the entrance to Flatwoods and Wildwood Way, or Wildwood Trail, excuse me. So as you round one of the corners here, you come across, you see this building in front of us. Once you get inside, some people would say it's like a hunting blind, which I guess illegally it could be used for that. But this is to watch birds. All right, so see restricted area there. Well, there's a little waterway out in front there. It's a little low right now, which I'm kind of surprised about. But let's go inside. You have these seats here, and these little cutout windows, so you can stare out over the waterway out here and take shots of birds. I've seen gators out here, I've seen hogs out here, I've seen deer out here. So you can come out here in the morning when the park first opens. Unfortunately, now you need to leave the park about an hour or so before dark. So basically sunset, you need to start getting out. But because that's usually a lot of time when you start seeing more of the wildlife come out. But so kind of interesting how they've built this here, so you can watch the birds and other wildlife. Give you a view out the window here. Cut out. So that is wildlife, or wild bird trail, excuse me, wild bird trail. Out here at Brooker Creek Preserve. If you're ever down in Pinellas County, you must come out and check out this preserve. It's a good hike. Some of the trails are still underwater right now from our record rainfall this year, but you still spend quite a few hours out here, and there's a great visitor educational center. So come check it out.